Iloilo, holding runs by Captain Elias Verbala, powered by DNS Sandworks Iloilo, and of course by Master Stocks, Dante Diguma, the pride of Team Turbo, powered by Turbulence Product Nationwide, together with Willie John Sasson and of course DJ Ivan Loseni. Our entry for Battle Lockdown, ladies and gentlemen, Five Brothers. Oh, wala ba? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Five Brothers in 3, 2,